This video is sponsored by Shaker and Spoon. Let me back you up 5 or 6 hours ago. I took a whole chicken and I applied a barbecue rub. You can use any rub of your choice. It doesn't matter really, just your favorite. And then after I got that good and seasoned up, I took a pork butt and I did the same thing, just a nice good seasoning on the pork butt. And from there they went into the offset smoker. Now obviously the chicken finished out before the pork did, so I went ahead and removed that chicken. I placed it on a sheet of aluminum foil. I wrapped it up really tight, and from there I went into my outdoor smoker slash oven and held it at 115 degrees, waiting on the pork to catch up. And once it did, it reached an internal temp of 210 degrees. I could tell it was super tender on the inside, and I've got both of them just chilling out in the outdoor oven slash smoker with the power off. And once this cools down a bit, I'm gonna coerce my wife into pulling and shredding this, and from there we're gonna put this lasagna together. Shaker and Spoon is a subscription service, and this is what they send you month after month. They send you different kits with all the ingredients to make 1, 2, 3 different drinks, 4 of each drink. A total of 12 drinks can be made from this one kit. And another good thing is not only do they have a monthly subscription that you can also turn off if you need to pause it for a month, but you can also buy these individually, or you can buy a whole kit individually without a subscription. And the one I'm making today is It Summer Yet? 2 ounces of bourbon. I don't have to tell you how refreshing that is on a day like today, super hot. That is good. Check them out, Shaker and Spoon, and thank you, Shaker and Spoon. My wife did shred all this. She's got chicken on one side, got pork on this side, and what I want to do is I got a different rub this time, and I just want to shake a little bit of this all over it. Not a whole lot, because we did season it pretty heavy on the outside. Want to work all that in, mix your pork with your chicken. Oh boy, it's some kind of hot out here. I am hotter than an Alabama fan at the national championship loss. Good gracious. All right, take you some spray. This is cooking oil. Spray your sides, spray your bottom. That's just gonna stop your pasta from sticking. Take you your favorite barbecue sauce. You just put that all in the bottom. Just kind of work that around. That's where that first layer of noodles is going, so you want good coverage on that. So I'm gonna take some of these pasta shells. This is a no-bake pasta shell. And what that is, they've already been parboiled. They were boiled till tender from fresh pasta, then they were dried out. That's the difference between that and dry pasta that you have to reboil. So we're just gonna lay this in here, just like you see here. We're making our first layer. And that's actually a pretty good fit. Now put on some of your meat. If you got any big pieces, just go ahead and shred them like I'm doing here. Now barbecue sauce. All right, now you can use any combination cheese you like. What I've got going on first is some mozzarella slices. Put one here and one here. Go down with some more pasta, more meat. All right, more sauce. So I love provolone, and that's what we got here. Let's see how much this is going to take. These slices are smaller than the mozzarella, So it looks like 3 more. We'll do this just fine. There we go. So I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to layer some more pasta, more meat, more barbecue, and go back to the mozzarella and probably finish it off with a final provolone at the very end. All right, this Kamado is just about up to temp. I'm actually above 325 and between 350, so it's close enough to at least get it on here. Let's open it up. We're just going to put it right here in the middle, right above the deflector plate, down with the lid. And that's it. I'm going to start counting down from here. 45 minutes. We're going to take it off and have a look-see. Burning up out here. It's 10:30 at night and I'm still sweating. All right, so let me tell you what I just did. I removed this from the Kamado. I placed it over here on this table, and I went ahead and cut me a piece, and I got it on this plate that you see right here. Here's my slice. Let's do a taste. Let you know what I think. I know one thing, it sure looks good. I don't need that big of a bite. Let's go right here. That'd be good enough for starters. All right, here we go. That has everything that I absolutely love. I love any kind of pasta. I love cheese. Cheese is my weakness. I love barbecue, and I love barbecue sauce on stuff like this. I don't typically eat it on a lot of ways I do barbecue, but on this, it's needed. Absolutely fantastic. The only thing I think I would change going forward is I would get away from that oven baked pasta, and I would use the dried pasta that you boil in water. That way everything is fully cooked. Your meat's already fully cooked. Put your cheese on there and melt it for maybe 15 minutes. Get the heat up, get everything melted on the inside and bubbling. Put some cheese on top. You're good to go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm Rus Jones with Smoky Ribs Barbecue.